Kanako nagabag-o. Hello to my 4 viewers. Good morning, everyone.
Whoa!
Ano na? Ay, ate lang ate. At pura ka. Just like. Maligo ka, ha?
Ha?
Maligo kay baho ka. Saon naman ipaglakaw mga labs. Uy, naramang uwan na. So, na ako'y lakawhan. At yung kalimti ang kuan. May papel diha. Oh, you're from India. India, yes. So, everything I am doing live. So, lots of Indian. Good morning, Rock Mute. I'm tuning in live. How's your weather there? Is it sunny or rainy? Because here in the Philippines, this message is for you. It's rainy, very rainy. So it's really, really cold in here. It's cold, not really cold. Kapugngan lang baha, kinaguro sa hangin. Kung nagpabili, malakso ko sa ganyan mo. Okay, please be polite when you do comment. Please be good to everyone else. I don't want viewers who are... I don't want to make friends with people with trashy mouth. Good morning to Wari. Good morning there. Thank you for the like. Please subscribe to my channel. Salamat. Thank you. Hasta possible nga bangkan. Uy. China? Hindi ko pwede mag-same bank kay Kahanseho. Please speak English. I don't understand Hindi language. I just speak English. Ito, ano, nagitay kong kaugaman. Palit po gampan lang saan. Nami ilang buwad, no? Iyan ang buwad ba? Ang richness. Hoy, mahalag buwad, no? Mahalag buwad. Matay raincoat? Ha? Kung mag-inquire na lang po ko city if ever pilay ang for the month of April ko pa. Gamay pa na kaya kung una May. Sila ra kay mag-card ano. Ay, am I beautiful? Thank you so much. So, sila. Ayaw din silang naso dahil kaya makita sila ng gwapa naman ka. Kaya sa mga nang silang tao dito. Or basta nagilang namauhan kay mura na in English. Siguro na nilarang kuan. Yeah, how are you there, people?